I'm making salmon cakes today. They are so good, and this is the salmon right out of a can, so super cheap, super easy. I'm gonna make a lovely mango chutney sauce to go with this. I grew up eating these folks, and they are fabulous. Let's get started. Thought I'd chop up a little mint to put in here as well. And I've got this is the cashew milk yogurt, a very nice substitute for regular yogurt if you're trying to do dairy-free. And then I'm gonna add just a couple spoonfuls of this mango chutney. This is Patak's brand. They have different versions of this, different brands. They're so good, and they're great to just keep on hand to make quick sauces like this. And I'm also gonna add just a squeeze of lime to add more tartness. And this, I think, will go great with